At the moment, the only biomarker that we have any validated data on is PD-L1 immunohistochemistry. PD-L1 immunohistochemistry is perceived as not being a terribly good biomarker, but I think it gets a bit of an unfair rap because I think it's probably compared with things like EGFR mutation or ALK translocation, where the performance of the biomarker will always be better because of the biological nature of the system that we're talking about. PD-L1 expression is not an all or nothing phenomenon, and it's not the only controlling factor within the immune response or the response to the drug. Therefore, it will never have the predictive power of an EGFR mutation, for example. So it's perceived in the wrong light. Our expectations need to be downgraded. The other problem with PD-L1 immunohistochemistry, of course, is that each drug has been developed with its own biomarker test. And to a greater or lesser extent, these tests are not the same. And therefore, we cannot think generically about PD-L1 immunohistochemistry. We have to be much more specific in our thinking. But at the same time, it's not practical for us to do 4 or 5 PD-L1 tests so that we can decide which drug we're going to give the patient. So we need to have some simplification. But what that simplification would look like right now is very hard to say. We need more data.